All right, so I brought in these PNG files of house floor plans for reference into a Blender project. The problem that we have now is scaling. This cube is approximately 6.5 feet square, while these drawings are decidedly small scale. So I'm going to hide the cube. Let's zoom in on these little bits. I see a staircase that's 3.5 feet wide. And I don't have to be precise here, but let's just take a measurement and see how that compares. All right, so let's 1.7 or 0.17. So let's grab the calculator and let's do 3.5, right, for the width of the staircase. And we'll divide it by 0.17 or so, and we get approximately 20 and a half. All right, so what I'm thinking is I'll grab each of these items. I will scale 20.5. And let's just move over, zoom back in on that same staircase, and let's measure it. And okay, it's not exactly where I want to be. It's maybe half a foot short if I'm reading things properly, but it at least gets us in the ballpark. So I'll tweak it a little bit and try to get it a little closer to the mark, but there we go. Okay, so I scaled it up just a bit more, and then I grabbed my measuring tool and came up to my measurement's not exactly accurate. It looks like I'm off just a little bit as far as my measurement goes, but I'm pretty close to that 3.5 foot point. Furthermore, I've got the edge lined up with the grid pattern in Blender, and I can literally count. I know that each one of these squares on this scale is a foot, so I can literally count 1, 2, 3 feet, and it's moved. The next space is approximately half of the next square. So I'm comfortable enough with the scale as it stands that I'm going to proceed.